In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add filters on cards in Power BI. By the end, you'll be able to control exactly what your card visuals display using a simple slicer, so your metrics stay focused and meaningful. First, open Microsoft Power BI. Give it a moment to load your recent projects and make sure you're in the desktop interface where you can edit and build reports. If you're asked about updates or permissions, just proceed so you can access your report canvas. Next, open your report. This is the file that already contains your data model and the card you want to filter. If you don't see a card yet, that's okay. The steps still apply as soon as you add one. The key is that your dataset is loaded and the report page is visible. Now, click on the visual you want to pay attention to. This might be a chart you're monitoring or a card that shows a single KPI like total sales or count of customers. Clicking it isn't about changing it right now. It's just to help you see how it responds once we add the filter. On the left side, go to the Visualizations area. You'll find a set of visual icons and their settings. If that pane looks minimized, expand it so you can see the available visuals and the fields well. This is where we'll add a slicer that will control what your card displays. Click on the List slicer. Power BI will place a slicer visual onto your canvas. Position and size it so it's easy to use next to your card or chart. A list slicer gives you a straightforward set of checkable items you can click to filter the page. Select a field for the slicer. Drag the field you want to filter by, such as region, product, category, or any dimension that makes sense for your card, into the slicer's field area. You should immediately see a list of values appear in the slicer. If the list is long, that's fine. The slicer includes a search box to help you find items quickly. Finally, select a value in the slicer. Click a single item to filter the page so your card updates instantly to reflect that selection. You can hold Control to select multiple values or use the clear option in the slicer header to reset. By default, the slicer will filter all visuals on that page, including your card, as long as the underlying relationships in your model connect the field to the measure shown in the card. That's it. You've added a practical, user-friendly filter to control what your card displays, keeping your insights clear and focused. Save your report, and you're ready to present or share.